In this video, I will be showing you how to research and verify 2026 EU AI data privacy regulations using Perplexity and Gemini. Let's get started. I'll begin by typing my query into the Perplexity Pro search bar, asking for the latest regulations and specific official citations. As I hit enter, Perplexity starts searching the web, pulling from official EU documents and legislative updates to give me the most current information available. The results provide a clear, structured breakdown of the 2026 legal framework, focusing heavily on the EU AI Act and GDPR. It highlights key areas like data governance for high-risk systems and new transparency requirements for AI-generated content, even providing a helpful citation formula. Now, I want to make sure this information is completely accurate and free of any hidden biases. I'll highlight the text, copy it, and switch over to Google Gemini to cross-reference my findings. I'll paste the Perplexity summary into the chat and ask Gemini to analyze it for any contradictions, biases, or missing nuances. As Gemini processes the text, it provides a deep dive into the 2026 timeline and identifies specific legal nuances like the joint controllership trap and the regulatory sandbox. It also flags areas concerning general-purpose AI that might need more attention, giving me a much more well-rounded and vetted perspective. By using both tools, I can confidently verify complex information and ensure my research is thorough and fully up to date. This simple workflow ensures I have a polished and accurate understanding of the evolving AI legal landscape. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.